VAG Group wiper blades. This is a Skoda. To get the wiper blade, I've got to change the blades on this, but to change it, it's going to hit the bonnet. So we need to put this into the park or the service position. Switch ignition on. And then turn it off. Hold the wiper stalk down. You can now change the blades. Pull the blade up, push the button in, and you can pull this out. If you're leaving this, don't leave it up, leave it down. With no blade on it, that'll crack your windscreen. And then the new ones just slot back in. And all you got to do then is just turn the ignition on, operate the wiper blades, and they'll reset. Job done.